So hey guys, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another epic vlog of Shom's Lifestyle. We are back here at RC Tunes with another car. So Adi will introduce you. पहले आदि एक बार नंबर और एड्रेस बता दो.
Right, so my name is Aditya. My number is 9830758567.
Right.
We are based in Lake Gardens, Kolkata, 188 by 50. You'll find our social media handles in Shom's Lifestyle's description.
Yes.
Also, you'll find us on Super Chips Kolkata, tunes_Parsi. We are there on Facebook also at RC Tunes.
Right.
So hi everyone, welcome to Shom's Lifestyle. Today we've got a Taygun GT here, and we are going to be doing not one, two, but three things, and one of which is something rather special. So we've got a TCU tune in store for this. We've got a BMC stock replacement air filter, and the third thing, which is something which I feel is very important, which is the suspension. So we'll be installing Bilstein's B6 dampers in this car. Because this car has a good engine and a very capable gearbox, we know that this car can get a better handling dynamic. And also, this car requires, since people do off-road with this and they do drive on rough roads with this, we feel like giving the shockers a little bit more strength, which is what the V6 are basically. This car can do a lot more than what people normally do. So we'll be showing you guys what the B6 is. And one amazing thing about it is that it is stock replacement, so you can fit it at Volkswagen, you can remove it at Volkswagen. Obviously the service center will not fit outside the car, but at the same time you will not have issues working on it, meaning if you ever do need to open it for maybe changing some other suspension component, it will not be a hassle. And yes, the rest of it we will explain as we get the dampers out, to show you what it is.
Right.
Let's go. I got big dreams, I'ma do big things. Yeah, you see me on the big screen looking so clean. I don't move slow, I move fast right past anybody taking life for granted, yeah that's too bad. I'd be grateful for everything that I have. You only got this life, you don't get it back. Make the most of it, become the best that I can. Everybody look at me, I got a plan. You gotta work hard, play hard, do it from the start. Cause how you do anything is everything is start.
Hi everyone, so we've done a gearbox tune on this Taygun GT 1.5 TSI Super Chip Stage 1, and there are some very important and beneficial gains that you will get to experience if you ever get to drive this car. So primarily we drive this car in bumper traffic, city traffic, most users do, and one very common trait of this gearbox is that it shifts into second gear very fast and it refuses to give first gear when we are in stop start traffic. So with our TCU tune, we are able to calibrate that, make it a little bit, should I say, more suitable for our driving. You will get first gear a little quicker, and also it will last a little longer. And at the same time, the shift quality, shift speed and shift patterns are better suited for city driving. Of course, on the highway, you will benefit from faster shifting times. We'll manage gearbox temperatures better also with this. Basically, you will be extending your clutch life. And that sums up this TCU tune. We will be demonstrating this. We are getting on the highway, how quickly the car shifts in sports mode and everything. As you can see, we are right now in drive mode, and we have just it shifts like a normal car. Of course, the shift points are different. You will not feel anything. It will be a lot smoother also. There are a lot of jerkiness in this car in second and third gear, but when we do shift into sports, the responsiveness is significantly better. Now if I just jump on the throttle, instead of the gearbox taking that fraction millisecond more to react, it reacts faster, and I can request a lower gear. We're in third gear. Now let's say I want to jump on second and get going. Immediately we are on second and we're off. So the shifts are a lot better. Now I shift into manual mode. Let's say we are on fourth gear now, and I need to downshift quickly into second to get a move on. So I just go once and twice and I'm in second. Now I can get going. I'm on fourth now, third and fourth. So you will definitely, someone who does daily drive this gearbox, once they get to tune it, they'll get to know the difference. It's very noticeable. We're in third, we are in second now. We are going. It's literally, it's lightning. So yeah.
The shift speed also is way faster, right?
Yeah, shift timings are a lot better. You will notice it when you drive the car. It's very difficult to tell on the video. But on someone who daily drives this car, once they go from stock TCU to tuned TCU, they will notice it, especially in sports and in manual.
Right.
So we finally finished the installation of the Bilstein V6 dampers, and when we had the car in the lift, we realized that there was some issues with the mounts as well. So we've replaced all of that, and this car is good to go. One great thing about the V6 is that it is very easy to install. It is exactly like OEM setup, and with that you get the peace of mind. Also, this car will be able to handle higher speeds with a lot more ease now, with a lot more comfort. We
Right.
call these basically OEM replacement sport dampers. So let's see how the ride is in the next clip.
Yeah.
And yeah, we'll see the feedback.
We are taking a test run now after the installation. This is our first time experiencing B6 on this MQB IN A0 chassis. So initial feedback response would be that it is exactly how the B6 is supposed to be. It is very confidence inspiring, and it is at the same time comfortable. And these dampers, when they are installed, they have a braking period, so we have to drive this car for a few hundred kilometers for the damper to work absolutely optimally. But I'm super excited to say that this is a amazing upgrade compared to the stock. It has completely changed the way this car feels, and I feel like, I would be able to handle the bad roads with so much more confidence and ease, especially when the car is loaded, because these cars do have a very bad response behind the wheel when they are on bad roads, especially with people inside. So I feel like now this is a must-have for all Taigun Verter Slavia Koshak owners. So rest, I think Shomashish is going to take the wheel in some time and give you his honest feedback, because we drove this car less than 24 hours back with the stock damper.
Right.
And it was an okay experience, like all stock suspensions are normally. That's it.
And these are running on stock springs, right?
Right, these are on stock springs, stock mounts. Pretty much all supporting parts are absolutely OEM.
Right.
So that is one peace of mind you can get. We are getting some small patches of bad road up ahead, and let's see how this car handles it. Unexpectedly, there is a bus occupying the lane.
Yeah.
And let's go. Yep, it is leveling out pretty much all the breakers.
Right, exactly. I can feel the exact difference by sitting beside you.
Yeah.
The last time and this, like,
It's a huge difference.
huge difference.
Car was jumping about on the same stretch, it was jumping about.
Exactly.
And now it's able to maintain its composure all throughout all these bad patches. These are actually uneven roads.
Yeah.
So that's about sums up. Rest, I believe, it's not going to disappoint. Anyone who does opt for this,
No.
yeah,
It is a must upgrade.
absolutely.
I must
have.
say.
Yeah, people do complain about bad grip, poor brakes.
Yes.
The suspension is genuinely the weak link. With a good suspension, the entire game of the car changes. Whether you're in city speeds or whether you're at high speeds, the game of the car changes.
Exactly. So I am driving the car right now, and आपको जो बताया था आदि ने कि this TCU is also tuned by stage 1. The gearbox is tuned and with the Bilstein B6 dampers along with stock springs. गाड़ी बहुत अच्छा चल रही है. Like the gear shifting are like very smooth. Like अभी मैं ऑटो मोड पे चला रहा हूँ गाड़ी. Like थोड़ी देर में मैं स्पोर्ट्स मोड पे करके आपको शिफ्टिंग जो है दिखाऊंगा. Like see, shifts are happening. You can't even imagine. Like देखा D3 से D4 हो गया. Like मैं थोड़ा ब्रेक दबाऊंगा and D3 हो गया. कोई जर्क नहीं लिया. Nothing. The shifting is so smooth and आदि मेरे पीछे है अभी उसका पोलो लेके. And the car is driving so smooth, gliding over bad roads. कोई भी जर्क्स नहीं है जैसे कि पहले बोला था. एंड स्टीयरिंग इसका बहुत ज़्यादा टाइट था पहले. एंड लाइक दिस, सी दिस, आई कैन मूव द स्टीयरिंग व्हील विथ माई पिंकी फिंगर. पहले बहुत ज़्यादा टाइट था, अभी डैम्पर लगाने के बाद बहुत ज़्यादा स्मूथ हो चुका है ड्यू टू द फ्रंट डैम्पर्स. एंड लाइक इट्स सो नाइस टू ड्राइव द कार. द एक्सपीरियंस इज सो गुड फ्रॉम माई साइड. लेट्स ड्राइव इन स्पोर्ट्स. थोड़ा बहुत गियर डाउन. सेकेंड. शिफ्टिंग तो बहुत बढ़िया है भाई. स्मूथ एज बटर एंड चल भी मक्खन रही है. एकदम बढ़िया चल रही है भाई गाड़ी. बहुत बढ़िया चल रही है। Sorry guys, I am shooting the ending part, the outro in my messy room, क्योंकि हम लोग भूल गए थे, जल्दी जल्दी में थे तो भूल गए थे। तो ये वीडियो आप लोगों को कैसा लगा, गाड़ी कैसा लगा, सस्पेंशन सेटअप, द ड्राइविंग आप लोगों को कैसा लगा, द गियर बॉक्स ट्यून आप लोगों को कैसा लगा, ज़रूर से कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना। एंड आई एम जस्ट डूइंग द आउटरो, मैं जाके कर सकता था उधर, लेकिन आई नीड टू पोस्ट दिस वीडियो टुमारो, क्योंकि आई एम फॉलोइंग अ पेस राइट नाउ। आई डोंट वॉन्ट एनी गैप्स इन माई चैनल, on my channel. I'm very sorry for my grammatical mistake, sometimes हो जाता है भाई। तो गाड़ी कैसा लगा ज़रूर से कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना। एंड बेस्टिंग B6s आर जस्ट, अभी तो मुझे डाउट हो रहा है सिविक में मैं क्या कुछ करूँ, सिविक ट्यून करूँ। RC तो मैं ट्यून करने वाला हूँ, लेकिन RC कब मिलेगा ये मुझे नहीं पता। तो इफ़ यू गाइस एंजॉय टुडेज वीडियो, डू कॉन्टैक्ट RC Tunes, sorry, Superchips is a brand of course, RC Tunes, for any kind of performance upgrades, any kind of tune. They deal in Superchips, APR, Venom, Mosselman, any kind of tuning with all kind of tuning companies except like 2 or 3 companies. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, for whatsoever reason, do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bell on, follow me on Instagram at invalid.username404. As always, I'm at the end of today's video. I will look forward to seeing you in the next video real soon. Bye.
In my own luck, adrenaline my drug.